Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi calling drains the battery in Realme Neo 7X. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option flight mode. Now here you can turn on or off your airplane mode 2 to 3 times. After turn on or off your airplane mode 2 to 3 times, then scroll down and click on system and update, and then on top you can see the option software update. Now click on it and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back to your home screen and your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.